Salut à tous, c'est Dingy. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour l'épisode 16 de Life is Strange. On est toujours dans le chapitre 4, The Dark Room. Et on sortait de la fête du Vortex Club sur la fin du monde. Et on était à la recherche de Nathan pour péter des gueules. Parce qu'il a très probablement tué Rachel. Ce qui est pas très Charlie quand même.
Oh, Christ. Nathan just texted me. He says there won't be any evidence left after he's done.
Shit. We have to go to the junkyard right now.
Vous auriez dû prendre une petite photo, tiens. La grosse psychopathe. Genre, tu vois ta pote morte, enterrée, et tu prends une photo. Oh merde.
Stop stomping around, Chloe.
Right. Just get ready to use your rewind fast if Nathan tries to jump us.
Ah, on est foutu. Oh, un rat, j'apprécie.
Your revenge. I swear.
Je sais pas du tout où il était le corps.
Are you looking for something back there? Catch up.
Pardon, pardon. Je me perds un peu, hein, c'est bon. Je suis pas très douée.
God, I want to fucking kill that little psycho.
Hey, I can't focus if you're yelling. Please.
Max, when we catch Nathan, you better rewind.
Max, please hurry. God.
Oh God, Max, look. She's still there.
Don't look, Chloe.
Ah merde.
Chloe. Look out.
What the fuck?
Oh merde. Non, 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 non. Non, 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 non.
Chloe.
Non. Non, 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 non. Non, non, non. Elle peut pas être morte. Oh merde. Il m'en veut peut-être parce que je l'ai viré. Oh non, t'imagines l'abus. Et voilà, bah en fait on n'est plus du tout au chapitre 4. Je m'étais vraiment arrêté 5 minutes avant que ça se finisse, c'est con. J'ai mal dosé le truc. Bon bah, comme choix important, on a accordé la demande de Chloé. Je vois pas en quoi c'est très important vu que c'est plus d'actualité. On a empêché Warren de tabasser Nathan. Chloé n'a pas blessé Frank. Et Victoria a pris notre avertissement au sérieux. Ok. Les choix un peu moins importants. Je suis dans la merde, moi. Oh, c'est quoi ces vieux produits? Ah, la tornade me défonce les oreilles à chaque fois. Et voilà, on arrive au 5e et dernier chapitre. Polarized. Ouais, je crois que c'est comme ça qu'on dit. Ça s'annonce mal. Ça s'annonce très mal. Je vous avais dit hein, que ce jeu, il était fort dramatique, on va dire, comme style. Suspense et drama, ouais, un peu d'ambiance aussi. Voilà, bon bah on se lance tout de suite dans le chapitre 5, en espérant que Jefferson va pas trop nous
Previously
défoncer.
on Life is Strange.
Bon, vous avez pas besoin de récapitulatif, hein. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ces câbles? C'est ceux de moi, sûrement ceux des Projo. Je vois pas ce que ce serait. J'ai cru que ça bougeait à l'intérieur, je deviens parano. Est-ce que je peux bouger?
Chloe?
Merde, j'espère qu'elle est pas morte.
It's a dark room.
Faut croire que finalement Nathan n'était pas le seul dérangé dans la ville, hein.
Is anybody out there? Please help!
Oh merde, Victorien? Je crois qu'il lui avoir... Je crois l'avoir prévenu, Victoria. Pourquoi elle est là?
Somebody help me!
Merde, j'ai pas bougé mes bras. Ok, on est sûr.
These straps hurt.
Vraiment pas du tout. Ah yes. Mon pied droit. Ça pourrait être utile.
I'm free. Almost.
Victoria, wake up. Wake up.
On est dans la merde. On est bien 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 dans la merde.
I hate looking at myself like that. You'll pay for this, Jefferson.
Glauque.
God, I don't remember anything that happened. This must be the same drug Nathan used on Kate.
Ah, je peux plus rien faire là. J'ai regardé les deux trucs qu'il y avait sur le chariot. Ah, je peux me concentrer sur la photo, yes.
I promised I would never go back in time like this again.
Tu sais,
But this is the only way.
situation désespérée, moyen désespéré, hein. Allez. Yes. Je galère toujours à remettre les photos Bien. Ah.
This angle highlights your purity. See, the slightly unconscious model is often the most open and honest. No vanity or posing, just pure expression. Oh Christ, look at that perfect face.
Ouais, il y a certaines situations que je préférerais qu'on me dise pas que je sois parfaite en fait.
Hold that stare there. Stay still.
Ah, c'est un grand malade. Je veux dire, tu vas en faire quoi de ces photos après? C'est pas comme si t'allais pouvoir en faire quelque chose.
Max, you fucked up my shot. But please don't worry. We have all the time in the world. For now, I knew you were special the second I saw your first selfie.
Arrête.
I still hate that word. But I love the purity of your own image. Not like Rachel, who was always looking in the wrong places. Poor Rachel. Wait. Let me try this angle.
Reste loin de moi s'il te plaît.
Don't move! Much better. Thanks, Max. If only Nathan could see this setup. He tried so hard. But you can't just throw a few subjects around and expect a cohesive style or theme. But he had an eye for shadows, and an eye for a whole lot more, as his elite family will find out, along with Arcadia Bay. Nice. Good. Oh, those eyes. It's just too bad you're so goddamn nosy, Max. But this room is under 24/7 surveillance, so all I had to do was text you from Nathan's phone. And you fell right into my
Pourquoi
hands.
t'avais son téléphone?
You really should have focused
Je
on
croyais que
schoolwork,
j'avais son
not
téléphone.
private detecting with your little friend.
Chloe.
Chloe. Right. Yeah, I'm sorry that Nathan killed her in self-defense. But she had a troubled history like most Arcadia Bay
Non,
dropouts.
Chloé peut pas être
Nobody would be
morte.
surprised or care. Though I promise, people will care when you die tonight.
Et je vais
Max.
pas mourir non plus.
I wasn't lying when I said you have a gift. Okay. Now this looks good. Maybe a few more close-ups. Max, please do not move so much. I need you posed and framed my way. Maybe a new dose will calm you down.
Non.
Now don't move or this will hurt much. Stupid bitch! You just don't listen, do you? In fact, you never did hear much in my class. If you had, you might have seen all this coming.
Je suis pas sûre que j'aurais pu prévoir ça en fait, même en écoutant tes
I've
foutus
had my
cours.
eye on you, and I've noticed that you've been more fearless this week than maybe your whole life. Remember my #1 rule. Always take the shot.
Oh merde. Ok, sa photo est mouillée, je vois pas le rapport.
Oh, Jesus. I can't believe that happened. So sick.
Oh, il y a des nouvelles photos, c'est ça? Enfin, je crois, je suis pas sûre.
I'm definitely more awake in this photo. I could try this one.
C'est quoi ça?
Wait, Jefferson couldn't handle stains on his photos. Good. Now I can use them.
Bon, on va essayer là-dessus.
This might work. Please work.
Ah, cet épisode est vraiment malaisant.
I'm getting some spectacular images here, Max. Yes, Victoria would kill to be in your place, but
Pas sûr.
she doesn't understand our connection. You're the winner, Max. I choose you. Your portrait.
Fuck you.
You're trying too hard. I know you're scared. You all have the same doe-eyed look when you wake up here, replaced by fear as you realize what's about to happen.
Mr. Jefferson, why are you doing this?
Max, I'm so glad you asked that question. Simply put, I'm obsessed with the idea of capturing that moment innocence evolves into corruption. That shift from black to white to gray and beyond. Most models are cynical. They decay. However, some Blackwell students carry their hope and optimism with them like an aura. And those lucky few become my models. My subjects.
Yes, you're a psychopath. And this is your last session.
Au contraire, Max. I'm so sane that nobody knows what's happening to you right now. As you can see, Sleeping Beauty here is too harsh for my gentle lens. And don't get me started on your late partner. I had enough of those faux punk sluts in my Seattle days.
On va... Je lui aurais bien dit, vous avez tué Chloé, mais on va faire notre dur à cuire.
Go to hell. You will for everybody you've hurt.
Unlike pure sweet Kate Marsh, I don't believe in that bullshit. She could have been my masterpiece. The world is what an artist makes it. And my muse...
Oh, est-ce qu'on se la joue de la provocation? Allez.
Blah, blah, blah. God, I hate your voice now.
You might as well savor it, considering it's the last you'll hear. Oh. That struck a nerve. Your face changed color. Beautiful.
You will not get away with this. I want you to know that.
When you told the principal that I made Kate cry, I thought you almost had
Merde.
me. It's good our
Vous voyez que
esteemed
j'avais bien fait de le
Principal
choisir.
Wells is like most
Je vous l'avais dit.
administrators, a closet drunk. I do know that the Prescotts are going to have a major scandal when the town finds out what their elite son has been doing for homework.
Vous vous êtes servi de Nathan.
You used Nathan.
I prefer the term manipulated. Like with an image. Nathan's was easy to twist around. I became a sort of father figure for Nathan. It happens often in teacher-student relationships.
Pas avec toi, en
It
fait.
was kind of touching for a while.
Did you tell him everything about your plans at Blackwell?
Don't be stupid, Max. I told him what he needed to hear. In return, I had access to the Prescott fortune. Who do you think paid for this glorious darkroom and equipment? How else could I get all these hip new drugs for my subjects?
Rachel Amber was your victim, not your subject.
Rachel Amber. That's the real tragedy.
Pauvre Rachel, quand même.
Nathan thought he could be an artist like me. Instead, the dumbass gave her an overdose.
Why Rachel?
I don't have time to tell you everything. But she was special. A human chameleon, so many visual possibilities. We had a real connection.
Did she let you take pictures of her?
Rachel was in
Grosse
That's not
blague.
long ago. Just look at our
Je
sessions.
sens qu'il y a beaucoup de gens qui pensent ça de Rachel. Là. Faudrait calmer un peu vos ardeurs là.
Loved having their picture taken more. Anyway, Rachel is dead. But no tears. Los Angeles would have killed her anyway, so look at this as a favor.
You're evil.
Oh, I see. You're good because you stopped your friend from beating Nathan up.
I cared more about Nathan than you did.
No, you didn't. It's just too bad that he fell in lust with Rachel. He actually thought he could mimic what I do with the camera and subject, like father, but not like son.
Where is Nathan now?
Dead and buried.
Quoi?
After what he did to Rachel, I knew I couldn't keep him as a protege for much longer. Now the police will never find his body. Do you finally get
Il
it
a
now,
tué
Max?
Nathan?
I can't compromise my vision with amateurs.
You are an amateur. Look at the trail of death you left behind. You can't blame all this on Nathan. I don't care what you do to me. You're gonna die, motherfucker. For Chloe and Rachel and everybody else.
I do love your spirit, Max, but you brought yourself here. By your own choice. Anyway, I like my models to be seen and not heard. So I have to make sure there's nothing left behind of you. Okay. Now, let's see how these shots came out. I can see why your instant camera is so appealing. You don't need a computer to print your work out.
Est-ce que je peux faire quelque chose?
I have all those photos in my diary. This could be a way out.
This is purity personified.
Mais là, c'est un peu loin.
Max, I wish you could see yourself now.
Ouais, enfin, moi j'ai pas trop envie de te voir.
This one's out of focus, but
Je dois reculer le temps.
that's my fault, Max.
J'espère que je fais pas de la merde.
Okay.
Wait! Please, Mr. Jefferson.
Max, I would love to talk shop, but I really need to go over these pictures. Especially while they're fresh in my mind. I think our session was a career high for me.
Me flatte pas trop, hein.
You still have my diary.
Don't worry. Nobody's going to read it. Thanks for reminding me. There's nothing more innocent than a teenager's diary. Oh, look at your selfies.
Ouais, j'en veux bien, s'il te plaît.
What a waste of talent. Look at that shot, Max. You can do so much better.
En même temps, c'était pour mon journal, hein, c'était pas pour une galerie d'art. Bon. Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette photo? Aucune idée de quand ça a été pris. J'espère que c'est pas il y a trop longtemps, ce serait bizarre.
I could frame any one of you in a dark
Non, c'est au tout
and
début du
capture you
jeu.
in a moment of desperation. Shh, shh, shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb
I'm
word
back.
for a wonderful photographic
Right back where I started this insane
What?
week. And
Of
nobody is
course,
going to
as
hurt
you all
Chloe
know,
ever
the
again.
photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
C'était... C'était le procédé de Daguerre, mais je pourrais faire ma meuf violente.
Who cares? This class is hella bullshit.
I'll pretend you didn't say that and let you try to answer one more.
Sorry, there's no time left. I mean, your class is almost over.
Oh,
Le regard mauvais de Victoria.
thanks for the warning, Max. So, the Daguerrean process made portraiture quite popular. Mainly because it gave the subjects clear defined features. You can learn more when you finish reading the assigned chapters. Clearly, Max doesn't have the time.
C'est plutôt ironique de dire ça.
Time to change time. First, let's make it real easy to capture Mark Jefferson.
Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Bastard. I have to warn David about Jefferson and the dark room.
Bon, qu'est-ce que je pourrais faire?
I should be able to track down David's number from the school pamphlet. Found you.
Ah, j'ai le numéro de David.
For once, David, I'm praying you'll overreact to this as much as everything else. And take Jefferson down fast.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a écrit? After Hatch number, Mark Jefferson guilty. Ah oui, elle parle de la chambre noire. Et elle lui a envoyé où c'est, dans la gorge.
You wanted me to enter the contest, asshole. So maybe I'll be going to San Francisco. And Jefferson.
Ah, j'espère que ça va marcher.
The past within the past. Am I pushing myself too
Peut-être un
hard?
peu.
It doesn't matter what. Victoria. It's nice to know how you really feel.
J'aimerais la détester, mais elle s'en tape. Oh merde. C'est triste.
I'm happy to fix it, so you'll be here to get your fancy camera, Victoria.
Ah oui.
Hi, Kate.
Oh, hey, Max.
Kate, listen to me.
I am.
Always remember that you're not alone. I've got your back no matter what happens. So do a lot of other people. We all care. We're all here for you. You need to know that.
Max, that makes me feel so blessed for the first time this week. I don't know what to say.
That's okay. Neither do I. Maybe we could both use a hug.
Thanks. You always know the right thing to do.
J'espère que ça va l'aider. Est-ce que je peux me barrer?
I can't go past these photo
Bon,
boundaries,
bah, on
so
va agresser
I
Monsieur
need to fix
Jefferson alors.
everything from here. Mr. Jefferson, we need to talk.
Can you see I'm talking to Mr. Jefferson now?
Yes, I see. But maybe you shouldn't.
And why not?
Hold on, Victoria. Are you okay, Max?
I will be when Victoria understands that hiding behind a screen, posting videos of people is incredibly cruel and unfair. You're smart enough to know how easy it is to hurt somebody, to destroy their life. I just want you to think about how much it would hurt if somebody did that to you. You can always make the right choice, Victoria. I know you've got a good heart. I've seen it.
Listen, I
You
Cramé.
don't have to explain. There's no reason for you to be so insecure that you can't be happy with your own talent. Wouldn't it be better to lift people up than to bring them down? You could inspire people.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about now, do I, Mr. Jefferson?
I think I should stay out of this one, Victoria.
Then I guess I'm done talking.
And that's okay too.
Oh, j'ai géré sur ce coup-là.
That was kind of random, Max. What did you mean?
Here's my photograph for the Everyday Heroes contest.
Il a l'air perturbé.
Oh, that was easy.
No. It wasn't easy
Tu sais
at
que t'as l'air
all.
un peu folle quand tu dis ça.
Well, I can't prejudge yet, but I'm very happy you decided to enter. That means a lot to me. And Blackwell. The first step for any artist is to put themselves out there in the world without fear. To be
Non,
innocent.
Or
dis
guilty.
plus jamais innocent devant moi. Oh.
Well, thanks for the photo, and maybe both of us will be jet-setting to San
J'espère que
Francisco
non.
this Friday.
Or maybe only one of us will be going.
Don't be so modest, Max. Anything can happen in a week.
As you're going to find out, Mr. Jefferson.
Ouh. Le discours plat de punchline. Ouais, pourquoi ça a pas changé ça? Ça non plus, d'accord, très bien. C'est une bonne chose. Ça, j'espère que... Ah merde, Rachel, ouais. J'ai gagné le concours. Oh yes, elle est pas morte. Donc c'est possible tout ça.
Okay. You're okay, Max. You're safe. On a plane.
Avec le proviseur.
I hope I did everything right this time. Good work, David. Chloe. Oh, you're alive. Oh, you're alive. I did it. I fixed everything. Wowzer.
Et ça te dérange pas que je sois dans le passé du passé? Non? D'accord, très bien.
We're almost in San Francisco. I'm so stressed, but I'm so excited too. I have to admit, I love being called an artist.
Mhm.
It's the beginning of the end for Jefferson and the Prescotts.
J'aime bien le journal en mode. Avec sa chute de neige hors saison et ses baleines échouées. Bah oui, c'est vrai que tout va bien. Pour lire la suite, tourner la page. Génial. Ok, très bien.
It's so weird to be in between realities. Everything is out of focus and in the distance.
Ah oui, non, j'ai
I
déjà
have
touché
to
à ça.
admit, I love being called an artist. Aw, I haven't seen Hot Dog Man in forever. Chloe and I used to totally play the video game and watch him all the time. When we were innocent.
I can't wait to
Please fasten your seat and stow any electronic gear until the plane is on the ground and at the gate. Thank you. We're starting our descent in a few minutes. It's a beautiful day in San Francisco with clear skies and cool 60 degrees. We hope you enjoyed your trip, and we thank you very much for choosing Pacific West Air. Come fly with us anytime.
I don't think so. I'm hoping these airline seats get...
How did you sleep?
Hope I wasn't snoring out loud, Max.
What the fuck?
Just a bit.
It's been a tough week at Blackwell. So I hope you'll forgive me. Between Mr. Jefferson and Prescott's, things have been hectic, to say the least.
I totally get it, Principal Wells.
That's a smart way of telling me to stop whining. We are proud of you for representing Blackwell at the Everyday Heroes contest. I know I'm not exactly the guide you wanted in San Francisco.
Vous ferez
We all
l'affaire,
want you to
tracassé.
have a great experience here.
I already am, and we're not even there. Oh, Christ. Another nosebleed? Max, you're not just screwing around with time.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe encore? Ok, d'accord, très bien. Je crois que mes pouvoirs ont un peu du mal. Et on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui, parce que sinon je sens que je vais faire durer ça pendant 1 heure. J'ai tellement envie de finir le jeu, mais il reste encore beaucoup trop de temps pour que je termine tout ça aujourd'hui. Donc c'est tout pour cet épisode, je ne sais plus combien. J'espère que vous l'aurez apprécié. N'hésitez pas à me laisser un commentaire pour me dire ce que vous en avez pensé. On se revoit très bientôt pour la suite. Et surtout, prenez soin de vous. Bye!
Feeling the sunshine once again. Feeling the sunshine once again.